Ikomishoni yonyulo ezimeleyo ibhengeze iziphumo zonyulo ngokuhlwanje kumsitho obanjwe kwiziko elingundlunkulu lalekomishoni ePitoli. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa unika intetho emfutshane sithetha nje njengomongameli wesizwe kulo msitho masithi tsikratha kuye.
Informed of everything that was happening throughout the election process. Sometimes the media never gets thanked for everything that they write, both wonderful and horrible. About many of us, we never thank you, and today I'd like to thank you for the good, the bad, and the ugly that you wrote about us. And what you also wrote about me. Through your efforts, you were able to keep us all informed, both television, radio, social media, and print. Last week in Cape Town, I received a letter from a young woman called Ruby. And she wrote, "President, I have faith in the leaders of South Africa. I believe that South Africa can take her rightful place in the world and that the dreams of our great leaders can be realized." Close quote. Very young lady. In these difficult times, these words from a young South African truly encourage me. They should encourage all of us. We owe it to Ruby and to the millions of South Africans who dream of a better South Africa to do no less than our very best. We owe it to the millions of South Africans who voted in these elections to bring about the change that they are asking for. Let us turn the promises that we made on the campaign trail into reality. Let us unite for the common purpose of recovery and rebuilding.